Okay, so guys, we proceed with the last problem in our accounts receivable and allowance for doubtful accounts combined. Okay, so for other problems, we will discuss that in our synchronous session, in our scheduled synchronous session. So anyway, um, so eto, no? So again, ang kailangan lang natin determine magkano si accounts receivable, allowance for doubtful accounts, net realizable value, and then of course the doubtful accounts expense. Okay? So as you can see, nilagay ko na yung beginning balances. Okay, 600,000 and then 25,000. Now, the following transactions took place in the current year. Now, by the way, ito ay isa sa mga, kung naintindihan mo, this means that, every aspect of this, pag naintindihan mo to, therefore, kahit pa paano magsusurvive ka na sa accounts receivable and allowance for doubtful accounts. Now, our sales, okay, is 3,070,000. But as you can see, etong 3,070,000 na to, cash and credit. Alin lang kailangan natin dito? Ang kailangan lang natin ay yung credit sales. Hindi natin kailangan ng cash sales kasi walang effect sa accounts receivable dyan. Okay, so eto na siya. Now, para makuha natin yung credit sales, i-check natin itong mga requirements kung asan dito yung credit or cash sales kung madedetermine natin. Now, kung mapapansin nyo dito sa number 5, cash received from cash customers. So, ang total na natanggap natin sa cash sales ay 470,000. So, therefore, kung 470,000, it's safe to assume na ang ating credit sales ay 2.6 million. So, ang credit sales natin, 2.6. Okay? 2.6 million. Now, how about yung ating collection? Okay? So, sa collection natin, syempre, ang kailangan lang natin ay yung collection from from the credit customer. So, as you can see, cash received from credit customers. So, 2,455,000. So, ito pa lang yung nakokolekta natin. So, 2,455,000. Now, as you can see, cash received from credit customers who took advantage of the 310, so okay na tayo dito 310 and 30 credit terms included in number 2. So, ibig sabihin yan, yung natanggap nating cash from credit customers, may portion dito na nagtanggap ng, nakakolekta tayo na may discount, tsaka may walang discount, at meron din yung may discount. So, how do we determine kung magkano dyan yung walang discount, tsaka yung may discount? And then, kung merong mang discount, magkano siya? So, ang total na nakolekta daw natin na cash, ito ang total na nakolekta na cash, 2,455. Okay? Magkano daw yung with discount? So, ang nakolekta natin na may discount dyan is 1,455. Ang walang discount, okay, no discount dyan is syempre, yung 1 million. Okay? Composition yan. Now, in the end kasi, okay lang naman kasi pareho namang nakolekta. Tama to. So, ito yung collection talaga natin. Pero ang kailangan natin ma-determine ngayon, magkano naman yung discount. Okay? Now, para makuha yung discount, huwag kang magtuon ng pansin dito kasi wala kang discount na tinake to eh. Punta ka dito. Ang na-discount daw ay 1,455. So, etong cash na nakolekta, bawas na discount dito. Magkano yung discount? 3%. So, kung 3% ang discount, magkano to? Okay, ito yung 97% ng total na receivable. So, anong gagawin ko? 1,455 divided by 97%. Okay? So, 1,455 divided by 97, 0.97. So, ang lalabas dyan, pag dinivide mo tong dalawa, 1,500,000. So, ibig sabihin, ang naging entry nito, okay, so, unahin natin to. Siyempre, ito, cash, accounts receivable, yan entry. Dito, ang naging entry is, cash, ang nakolekta ko ay 1,455 lang. Okay? Sales discount, and then accounts receivable. Kung papapansin nyo, ang accounts receivable nababawasan ng collection, which is kasama na dito, tsaka yung sales discount. So, magkano yung sales discount natin? 1.5 minus 1,455, that is 45,000. So, ito yung 1.5. Okay? So, ang sales discount natin, 45,000. Okay? So, yun siya. Next. Now, how about naman, so, okay na tayo dyan. So, okay na tayo dito sa dalawa. Accounts receivable written off as worthless. So, dahil ito ay write-off, yan ay deduction. So, 20,000. Okay, okay na yan. Next, credit memo for sales returns and allowances issued to credit customer. So, ang entry dyan, sales returns and allowances, and then, but sales, okay. Sales returns and allowances saka accounts receivable, that is 55,000. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nababawasan yung AR natin. So, sales returns and allowances, 55,000. Next. Okay. So, okay na tayo dito. Paano kaya to? Cash refund for cash customer. Okay. So, ano to? Ito ay sales returns and allowances din. However, hindi ito may effect sa accounts receivable. Okay. Bakit? Cash refund to sa cash customer. So, ibig sabihin, ang sales returns and allowances natin, dalawa. Okay, dalawa ang naging sales returns natin. As I've discussed dun sa discussion nito, ang sales returns kasi pwedeng dalawa. Pwedeng yung bawas sa receivable pag hindi pa siya bayad. Now, eto bayad na siya. So, anong mangyayari sa cash refund? Pag nagka-cash refund ka kasi guys, okay, magde-debit ka ng sales returns and allowance, magki-credit ka ng cash kasi refund yan eh. Okay, ibig sabihin, bayad na siya. Okay, ngayon dahil tawag dito, sira pala yung tawag dito, yung binenta mo sa kanya, ang mangyayari, syempre pag sira yan, ano mangyayari? Ibabalik sa'yo, tas akin ay ibibigay mo sa kanya yung binayad niya. So, mawawalan ka ng cash kasi re-refund mo yung binayad. Okay? So, ayan. Sales returns and allowances, cash. May effect ba siya dito? Wala. Okay? Pero, in the end, kung tatanungin, sales returns ba to? Yes. May effect ba siya sa accounts receivable? Hindi. Okay? So, okay na tayo dyan. Next. Recoveries of accounts written off not included in the above collection. So, tulad ng sabi ko, wag mo nang include ang recovery dito kasi para at least hindi na ma-complicate yung problem. So, with that, mako-compute na natin si accounts receivable. So, ang accounts receivable natin, 600,000 plus 2.6 million minus 2,455,000 minus 45,000 minus 20,000 minus 55,000, you will get an amount of 625,000. So, eto ngayon yung accounts receivable ending mo. So, 625,000. Next, punta naman tayo sa computation ng allowance for doubtful accounts. Sorry, okay, 625,000. Okay, so sa allowance for doubtful accounts, prepare adjustments for doubtful accounts if the entity provides doubtful accounts equal to 2% of net credit sales. Okay? So, 2% daw ng net credit sales. So, anong method to? This is approach. This is income statement approach. At anong sabi natin sa income statement approach? Pag income statement approach, kung ano man yung makukuha mong product dyan, yan na yung doubtful accounts expense. Okay? As opposed, pag balance sheet approach, yung makukuha mong product will be the allowance for doubtful accounts ending. Now, sabi dito net credit sales. So, how do we compute? Initially, para mapadali natin, how do you compute for net sales? So, di ba ang net sales natin, gross sales less sales discount less sales returns and allowances. Okay? So, yun yung basic discussion natin. Now, ang kailangan natin hindi net sales Ang kailangan natin net credit sales. So, yung may kinalaman lang sa credit sales. So, magkano ang credit sales natin? 2.6 million. Okay? Magkano ang sales discount natin? 45,000. Bawas yan. Okay? Magkano ngayon ang net sales returns and allowances from credit sales? So dito, ito lang yung isasama mo. Okay? So yung 55,000 lang. So, magkano yan? 2.6 minus 45. This is 2.5. Ito yung net credit sales natin. Okay? Multiplied by 2%. So, magkano to? This is 50,000. Now, ito, dahil income statement approach to, ito yung doubtful accounts expense. So, 50,000. May write-off ba tayo? Meron tayong write-off na 20,000. Meron tayong recovery na 5,000. So, ang total natin na allowance for doubtful accounts in the end is 25 plus 50 plus 5. So, that is 80,000 minus 20, 60,000. So, ang allowance for doubtful accounts ending natin, 60,000. Therefore, ang net realizable value natin is 565,000. Magkanong doubtful accounts expense? Ito, 50,000. Okay? So, actually, that concludes the problem. Pero additional lang, no? Additional lang na, tawag dito, na problem. Just in case lang na medyo pahirapan yung problem. Okay? So, pag tinanong sa inyo, kasi dito credit eh. Okay? Net credit sales eh. So, ang net credit sales natin, 2.5. Paano pag tinanong sa inyo yung net sales? Okay? Yung total na talaga. Kung net sales ang tinanong, syempre, gross sales tayo, less sales returns and allowances, less sales discount. Ganun i-compute yung credit sales. So, magkano ang gross sales natin dito? Ang gross sales natin dito is 3,070,000. Okay? Kasi yan yung sales. Okay? Again, this is, hindi siya tinanong, pero just an additional idea lang. Okay? 3,070,000. Pag tinanong magkano ang total sales returns and allowances, pagsamahin mo to. Kasi pareho yung sales returns. Okay? So, 65,000. And then, meron tayong sales discount na 45. Okay? 45,000. So, pag tinanong sa inyo ang total net sales, okay, yung net sales natin, so 110 minus 3,070,000, this is 3,000,000, hindi, joke lang. Okay, so this is 2,960,000. Pag yan ang tinanong. Pero kasi ang kanina, so eto net sales to pag total. Kasi bakit kanina hindi naman ganito? Kasi ang tinatanong lang yung sa credit. So, dito sa sales na to, lahat cash and credit to. So, ang isasama mo lang dapat yung credit, which is magkano siya? 2.6 million. Ito. Okay? 2.6 lang dyan yung credit. Sa sales returns and allowances, ito lang may kinalaman sa credit. Okay? And then sales discount, given na yan. Kaya nakuha natin yung kaninang amount na 2.5 million. So that concludes in totality the third problem. Okay?